भाविक कैन काला नहीं माना मनस हिरेन विरेन हिरेन लुला धीरेन लुला सॉरी या थैंक यू बी में सुपर आ गया यार यस एम्पायर्स आर देयर आर वी ऑनलाइन नाउ ऑनलाइन सुजीत ऑनलाइन है स्टार्ट हो गया थैंक यू ओके भाविक विल टेक द स्ट्राइक इट्स अ 5 overs मैच और बेटा बेटा ऊपर बैठ बड़ी ना भाविक विल टेक द स्ट्राइक बॉलर इज आई थिंक रोनित ना यस सो फर्स्ट बॉल ऑफ यस हाँ लुल्ला लव लुल्ला बॉलर लव लुल्ला टू भाविक कटारिया यस well played well balled oh they get a single good running actually well played score moves to 1 now score is Lavdullah to ball to Dhiren. Good shot. Will this be a catch? No. They will take a single only. Score moves to 2 now. Lavdullah 2 ball 2 runs. Bhavik 1 ball 1 run. Lavdullah to Bhavik. Third ball. Good shot from Bhavik. Will this be a boundary? They will run behind. Yes, will it be a first boundary of the innings? Yes, that's a boundary from Bhavik. First 4. Score moves on to 6 now. 2 balls and not a single run and a wicket of Bhavik. Great bowling. It'll be a no ball, white ball, no ball. It's a free hit. Score moves to 8 now. Good shot there. They will take a single. Oh my God, it's a misfield. They will get 2, at least 3. Will be a boundary actually. Yes, that's a boundary. Score is 12 now. Score is 12 now. 1.3. Slight misfield and it was a boundary. 4th ball to go now. Oh my God, it's a no ball again. It's a free hit. Score is 13 now. Score is 13. Oh my God, he missed it. No ball actually. Good bowling. Score is 13 now. 1.4. 1.413. Good shot. No. Yes, they will get single. They can come for 2. They come for 2. Good running actually. Oh, throw. Oh, throw. No. Good backup. हाँ जी.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
मम्मी जी की भी विजय. मम्मी जी की विजय, पापा जी की पराजय. अरे क्या यार. लवली लवली. विजय विजय. Yes. 2 overs, 16 for 1. Coach of this team, Bonty. Rules क्या है bowling के? Bowling rules. 2 ओवर ना, एक को सुजीत, एक को 2 ओवर है ना सिर्फ. 4 बॉलर. ओके. Oh, chance of run out actually. Oh my God, no! Well tried. Score is 18 now. Good shot actually. Score is 19, 2.2. Good fielding here. No ball, it's a free hit again. 2.2, 21. 2.221. Bowler is Gaurav Bakshani. Gaurav Bakshani, the bowler. Good shot from Manas. Will it be a boundary? No. Fielder is there. They take 2 runs. Lovely. Good fielding there. Score moves to 25 now. (23) actually. Again a good shot. Will it be a single? Will they get 2? Yes. They may come for 3. Yes. (2.425). Next ball. White ball. 26. (2.426) now. Good shot from Manas. He's playing a lot. Actually, will they take 2? They will take at least 2, yeah. Score moves to 28 now. Ball. Shot. Oh, it's white ball. 29. Ronit, no discussion, beta. Score is 29 now. Third over in progress. Last ball. Again a wide. 30. Good shot. Good ball actually from Gaurav. Ends the over. Score is 30 now in 3 overs. Oh my God. Real Coco. Fourth over. Maybe. Lovely ball. Lovely ball. Great ball. Not called a wide. Really good ball actually. Good bowling by Karthik Nagdev. Good shot. They will come for 2 at least. Oh, that's a catch. It's out. Next ball. Manas Kalani hits a shot. Will that? No. They will take 2 at least. Yeah. Oh my God. It's overthrow. Will that go for a 4? Oh no. कितना रन है? 4 है क्या? कल नायक हूँ मैं जुल्मी for his team. Lovely batting here from Manas Kalani. Good shot again. They will take at least single. Will they take two now? No, they won't. Yes, they are taking it. No, no risk. क्या Manas क्या हुआ? Yes. Last over, I think. Good shot. They will take single at least. Oh my God! Well try, बच्चा. सब जाना है बेटा आपको. Yes. Last over in progress. Oh, it's actually a great ball. Not a wide. Good ball actually. Yes, next ball. Manas will take at least two. Yes, he will run two. No, only a single actually. Good fielding from RC Channel. स्कोर नहीं आ रहा बेटा, नहीं आ रहा स्कोर. लाइव दिख रहा ही नहीं है. दे दे कौन जीता? हरी हरी यस हरी मस्त खेला उसने. जय डेलबस नास्तो नास्तो प्लीज नास्तो कराओ प्लीज प्लीज 5 मिनट प्लीज. रैम भैया 5 मिनट नास्तो नास्तो 5 मिनट प्लीज. 5 मिनट नाश्ता आ रहा है. नाश्ता आ रहा है 5 मिनट. 5 मिनट्स प्लीज. Oh my God, it's overthrow. Can they get three? No, they can't. They are running for it actually. Yes, they are running for it.
क्या बोलूं? कुछ भी. वागरू.
आंटी आंटी आंटी. स्कोर क्या हो? स्कोर स्कोर प्लीज सुजीत. 55. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? गुड यार. Fast, please, fast. Bowler is Jaggi, fast, please. Who is the bowler? Okay. Good shot, actually. Will be a boundary. Good fielding there. Lovely fielding. Dead ball, actually. Dead ball. Morel ball. Good shot, actually. Early boundary, at least. No. Running behind the ball. It's a boundary, actually, I think. Yes, it's a boundary. It's a boundary, yes. Okay. Next ball. Good shot. Oh, will be covered. Drop the catch. Very bad fielding here. Good cover up. Ball here. Good ball, actually. Oh my God, good ball, actually. Oh, misfield by Bhavik. Bhavik will ball the second over, actually. Bhavik to start the ball. Great ball. Will be a single at least. Oh my God, it's a misfield. Single at least, yeah. Football. Please take the football out. Football. Yes. Bhavik. Good shot. Lovely shot. At least 2 runs. At least 2 runs. Good fielding, actually. Score is 11. Sujit, score 11. 1.211. Yeah, okay. Target is 44 runs in 22 balls. Gettable, actually gettable. Last over of power play. Bowling here, great. It's a white ball actually. 43 in 22. 43 required in 22 balls. Good shot. Will be a single at least. Oh, good throw. Good fielding here. Lovely, you guys. Beautiful. Misfielded again. 42 required of 21 balls. RC Channel, RC Channel, Ronit and Gaurav. Ronit hits the ball. Will he get a boundary? Good fielding actually. They don't run for a second. Sorry. Good bowling, good batting, good fielding. What a game of cricket. Good. 41 required of 20 balls. What a ball. 41 required in 19 balls now. Last ball of second over. Good shot from Ronit. Will take single at least. They will take two definitely. Yes, they can come for two. Good running actually. What a match. Lovely match. 39 15 balls now. Raju, Raju? Kinanda must. 39 required in 18 balls. ये तुझे तो ही गौरव हेरोनित गौरव कि ना गौरव हाँ बख्शानी 2 overs 16 runs. Required run rate is 13 now. 39 of 18 balls. Rishi Krishnani. He is a great bowler actually. Good shot, Ronit. Will be a boundary. Football. Thoda bahar ja football. Hey, football. Thoda bahar. Football. Oi, football. Football. Yes. Football. Winner are Royals. In Kho-Kho, winner are blue. Royal Blue are the winners. And Pink Panthers are also first. No problem. Both the teams win. Jeete koi bhi jeetega Sindhi. Good ball actually. 37 required of 16 balls. Lovely. Football. Hey, football. It's a white ball actually. 36 required of 16 balls. (36 required in 16 balls now. Ronit, good shot actually, Ronit. At least single, they will take two at least, yeah. No, they don't take two. 35 required in 15 balls now. 35 of 15 balls. Oh, drinks coming in. I love this. Drinks coming in actually for Ronit. (35 required of 15 balls now. बचा क्या माल नहीं है क्या बहुत माल है ना माल वादा नहीं चल no नहीं वारंगे ना राजू. Yes, please have nasta. Yes, please come fast, beta. Empire, start the game. 15 ball, 35 runs. On strike, Gaurav Bakshani. What is that? Yes, ball. Oh, 35 runs required in 14 balls. From Rishi actually. Oh my God, they have great line by Rishi, great bowling by Rishi. He has stopped the score actually. 34 required in 13 balls now. 34 in 13 balls. Ronit on strike. Ronit Sachdev. Oh my God, he will take single. A great throw. No. Yes. No, no need actually. 33 more to get into. Bhavik will bowl the second over, I think, of his spell. 32, 33, 12 balls. 33 required in 12 balls. Ronit will take the. Oh, sorry. I think Gaurav. Gaurav will. No, Ronit. Ronit will strike. 33 of 12. Bhavik to bowl his last spell. Oh, what a ball! It's a dot ball actually. 33 required of 11 balls. Good ball from Bhavik. 33 of 11 balls. Oh my God! It's a single. Oh my! It was a catch. Drop the catch. 33 of 10 balls. White था क्या? White ball umpire. Dot ball. Sorry. 33 of 10. (33 of 10 balls). Good shot. Will they get single at least? Yeah. 32 of 9 balls now. Bag. Golden bag here. All gold inside. Golden bag. All gold inside. हाँ वही पता था मेरे को आपका है. 32 required of 9 balls now. Ball हुआ क्या? White. 31 required in 9 balls. They will at least take 2. Yes. Single. What a bowling. Yes. Good fielding actually. 30 more required of 8 balls. Bhavik 1.411 without a wicket actually. Ronit, good shot here, Ronit. Will they take 2 runs? Yeah. Yes, Ronit, good running. 28 required in 7 balls now. All boundaries. All boundaries required now. 28 required in 7 balls. Bhavik to Ronit. Oh my God, bowled him. It's bowled actually, I think. In 6 balls now actually. Target is impossible to achieve actually now. Good bowling actually from Rishi. 1 over 6 runs. Bhavik 1 over 2 over 13 runs. And a wicket I think he got. Yeah, Ronit is out on 12 of 14 balls. Lovelulla will face. Oh, what a ball. Who's the bowler? कौन है बॉलर ये? गोकुल मेवानी. Okay. गोकुल मेवानी. 20. गोरल मेवानी. गोरल. Okay. खत्री. गोरल खत्री. 28. Amit looking happy today. New bounty caters looking happy. He will give a treat to them. Pizza party to all. To his team actually. Oh, they'll take two at least. Aram say yes. No need, no need. Oh my God. काला कुत्ता काट खाएगा, काला कुत्ता काट खाएगा. Yes, Goral again. 26 required in 4 balls. That is impossible now. All sixes plus no balls. Not possible here. शाबाश बच्चे लोग खेल रहे हैं यार. Oh, good ball. It's white ball. Come on, you just have to ball the ball. Don't bowl white so you can lose the match. 25 required in 4 balls. Yes. White ball actually. 22 required in 3 balls. Good fielding here. Just a 21 required of 2 balls. Not a bad late, Raju. Last 2 balls. Raju, done for a day. एक और मैच है. अब राजू हम खेलेंगे राजू इसके बाद. हम खेलेंगे अभी. खो खो यस. चलो आ जाओ.